I'm gonna insert pictures because at this point I can't find nowhere to sit the phone up. If y'all want these, go to Dollar Tree. They are so cute. It's supposed to be like a little heart, but you can't really.
I took a 1-2 step in the Midlands. Let's the girl, yeah, me feel them. Took a trip to nuts. I don't be stupid, let's go. I took a 1-2 step in the Midlands. Let's the girl, yeah, me feel them. Took a trip to nuts. We in Clifton. Bro, I might take your missus, bums and cuff, busting non stop. I was like, what? Can he come? I come. Baby, just lean. I can do the bop. Took a trip to Loft, now the tripping don't start.
Yeah, we bust it like I do, bust it like I told you. Me and you, my room, we fun do. I'm a 6-foot jigger, Brumtown singer. All the girl tryna pull my zipper. Pull up in a Leicester, in blueprint with Esther. In a Tesla, my drip game contest. Get busy, girl wine waist, make it litty. We grind for the Lizzie in Birmingham City. I just did it again. Cough girl wants a dance, but I'm feeling a friend. There's no need to pretend. Bad man
I don't be stupid, let's go. I took a 1-2 step in the Midlands. Let's the girl, yeah, me feel them. Took a trip to nuts. We in Clifton. Bro, I might take your missus, bums and cuff, busting non stop. I was like, what? Can he come? I come. Baby, just lean. I can do the bop. Took a trip to Loft, now the tripping don't start.
Yeah, we bust it like I do, bust it like I told you. Me and you, my room, we fun do. I'm a 6-foot jigger, Brumtown singer. All the girl tryna pull my zipper. Pull up in a Leicester, in blueprint with Esther. In a Tesla, my drip game contest. Get busy, girl wine waist, make it litty. We grind for the Lizzie in Birmingham City. I just did it again. Cough girl wants a dance, but I'm feeling a friend. There's no need to pretend. Bad man
let's go, let's go. I took a 1-2 step in the Midlands. Let's the girl, yeah, me feel them. Took a trip to nuts. We in Clifton. Bro, I might take your missus, bums and cuff. Busting non stop. I was like, what? Girl, you come, I come. Baby, just lean. I can do the bop. Took a trip to Luff, now the tripping don't start.
Yeah, boss it like I do, boss it like I told you. Me and you, my room, we fun do. I'm a 6-foot jigger, Brumtown singer. All the gal tryna pull my zipper. Pull up in a Leicester, in blueprint with Esther. In a Tesla, my drip game contest. Get busy, gal wine waist, make it litty. We grind for the Lizzie in Birmingham City. I just did it again, I just did it again. Off girl wants a dance, but I'm feeling a friend. There's no need to pretend. Bad man step in my
Okay, y'all, I just came back from getting my nails done, so I just got them white, and I also got my toes done. I'm back at home. I didn't change clothes. I'm about to do my makeup, and then I'm about to get cute again. So I guess y'all just gonna watch me do my makeup. So I'm gonna start on that right now. I'm gonna set y'all up, so I'll be right back. Okay, yeah, so I gotta hurry up and do my makeup because I was been ready by 5 o'clock, and it's 5:08. My boyfriend wanted me to be ready by 5 o'clock. I don't even know what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna just hurry up and do my makeup real quick. Probably not gonna do too much, but I gotta make it look decent. And I got my edges so close to my eyebrows, but I'm not even gonna mess with it. I'm gonna just leave it how it is because I don't want to do too much. Then I gotta cut this little piece off right here, so don't mind it. And I think it's another on this side, but we finna go. Yeah, I don't mind my room. It's just a lot going on right now, so I'm just trying to hurry it up and get finished. Y'all see my nails. I just got them done. I don't even have no good eyebrow pencil, but I'm gonna just do what I can.
I don't be stupid, let's go, let's go. I took a 1-2 step in the Midlands. Let's the girl, yeah, me feel them. Took a trip to nuts. We in Clifton. Bro, I might take your missus, bums and cuff. Busting non stop. I was like, what? Girl, you come, I come. Baby, just lean. I can do the bop. Took a trip to Luff, now the tripping don't start.
Yeah, boss it like I do, boss it like I told you. Me and you, my room, we fun do. I'm a 6-foot jigger, Brumtown singer. All the gal tryna pull my zipper. Pull up in a Leicester, in blueprint with Esther. In a Tesla, my drip game contest. Get busy, gal wine waist, make it litty. We grind for the Lizzie in Birmingham City. I just did it again, I just did it again. Off girl wants a dance, but I'm feeling a friend. There's no need to pretend. Bad man step in my
So while it is sit, I'm gonna show y'all what outfit that I think I'm gonna wear today. I'm gonna either wear this. So this is just that I sell. I'm gonna either wear this or this outfit right here. It's like a diamond jumpsuit. Y'all can't see it, but it's a diamond jumpsuit. I'm gonna end up wearing one of them at the most part, because I mean it ain't nothing else that I got that I really want to wear. So
I don't be stupid, let's go. I took a 1-2 step in the Midlands. Let's the girl, yeah, me feel them. Took a trip to nuts, we in Clifton. Bro, I might take your missus, bums and cuff, busting non stop. I was like, what, girl, you come, I come. Baby, just lean, I can do the bop. Took a trip to Luff, now the tripping don't start.
Yeah, boss it like I do, boss it like I told you. Me and you, my room, we fun do. I'm a 6-foot jigger, Brumtown singer. All the gal tryna pull my zipper. Pull up in a Leicester, in blueprint with Esther. In a Tesla, my drip game contest. Get busy, gal wine waist, make it litty. We grind for the Lizzie in Birmingham City. I just did it again, I just did it again. Off girl wants a dance, but I'm feeling a friend. There's no need to pretend. Bad man step in my
makeup. If I'm gonna add something, I just let y'all know if I added something else to my face. But now I'm gonna put on my clothes, and then I'll come back and show y'all what I'm looking like, and y'all will see which one I actually picked to wear. So I'm finna put these in because y'all know I love my silver. So I'll be back when I put my clothes on. Oh, look at my hair, honey. Okay, y'all, I'm basically ready. So I'm gonna try to sit the phone up so y'all can see my whole outfit. Hopefully y'all will be able to see it. I don't really know. But this is the outfit. Y'all can't see right here. It's some better lighting. But this is the dress, y'all. Y'all know what I'm getting at. I'm gonna insert a picture because at this point I can't find nowhere to sit the phone up to show the whole outfit. So I don't even know what I'm trying. But yeah, this is the outfit. So this part is to get ready with me, and then it's gonna be another part that's gonna be the vlog part of the video. So this is just to get ready with me. So y'all see me get ready. So if y'all want to see the other part of this video, make sure y'all go. It should be up like the day after this video. So it's gonna be the vlog, like everything I done did. And it's kind of late because like it's like 6 o'clock. Everybody gone. I'm here by myself. I'm just waiting on my boyfriend to come. He said he got some plans, so I'm just waiting. I'm here by myself. Everybody left, and I got a full house. So when everybody leave, it's crazy, cause it's like, where is everybody going? Cause it usually be at least one person left at the house. It don't matter, cause I still look good, and I'm gonna go. And he just texted me and said he pulling up, my boyfriend. So I'm ready for the wedding. I'm ready for the come up, the the whole situation. Okay, so this is the next part of my vlog, and my boyfriend here now. He finally made it here. Y'all know my little balloons I blew up last night because I was bored. So I had blew up some balloons that I got from Dollar Tree. If y'all want these, go to Dollar Tree. They are so cute. It's supposed to be like a little heart, but you can't really tell, but you can at the same time. But we're just chilling at the house. And okay, I'm gone, y'all, because I'm doing entire. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with more videos. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to comment, leave a comment, and let me know what y'all think about my birthday outfits. Yes, let me know what y'all think about my birthday outfit, and make sure y'all go shoprichbarbie.com. Y'all already know it's gonna be in the description box. Subscribe.